farmhouse style home decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Farmhouse style decor emphasizes rustic charm, cozy comfort, and a bit of vintage character. Here are some tips to achieve a cozy farmhouse style look in your home. Neutral color palette. Stick to soft, neutral tones like whites, creams, grays, and soft pastels to create a calm and inviting atmosphere. This is the foundation of farmhouse decor and can easily be layered with accents. Reclaimed wood or rustic materials. Incorporate reclaimed or distressed wood in furniture, shelving, or accent pieces to bring a rustic charm. Materials like galvanized metal, oud iron, and textural also add to the farmhouse feel. Vintage accents. Add vintage or antique items like old clocks, mirrors, and mason jars. Flea markets and thrift stores are great for finding unique pieces that add character. Open shelving and cabinets. Use open shelving in the kitchen or other areas to display dishes, mason jars, or cookbooks. This adds both practicality and a relaxed style, especially with a well-curated selection of items. Slip-covered furniture. Use slip covers for sofas and chairs in natural fabrics like linen or cotton. Slip-covered furniture looks cozy and easy to maintain, capturing the casual elegance of farmhouse decor. Shiplap walls and ceilings. Shiplap or breadboard is popular wall treatment for farmhouse style. Consider adding shiplap on an accent wall or in specific areas like the bathroom or mudroom. Farmhouse sink. A farmhouse style sink with a deep basin is both functional and adds an authentic farmhouse touch, especially if paired with a rustic or vintage bucket. Textured fabrics and soft layers. Bring in textured throws, knitted blankets, and layered pillows in soft colors to make spaces feel warm and inviting. Greenery and natural accents. Add small indoor plants or vases filled with fresh or dried flowers. Greenery adds life and vibrance, while dried botanicals like lavender or eucalyptus are perfect for a rustic, natural look. Metal accents. Use metal finishes in lighting, pictures, and decor. Black, bronze, or brushed metal accents contrast well with wood and add an industrial edge to the rustic style. Layered rugs. Layered jute, wool, or cotton rugs in neutral or muted colors to add texture and warmth. This works well in living rooms, entryways, or under the dining table. Mixing patterns. Don't shy away from mixing patterns like stripes, plates, or floral. cohesive look while adding visual interest. Statement lighting offer statement light fixtures like wood-pattern candelights, rustic pendant lights, or vintage-inspired lanterns. These bring a cozy glow and an antique feel. Repurposed and dye decor. Repurpose vintage crates, wooden boxes, and old letters as shelves, plant stands, or wall decor. Dye projects add a personal touch and help keep the look authentic. Antique furniture pieces include a few antique or distressed furniture pieces like a farmhouse table, an old cabinet, or a weathered dresser. These items often have unique details and character. Focus on the fireplace. If you have a fireplace, make it the focal point by adding a rustic wood mantle and decorating with candles, lanterns, or framed art. If you don't have a real one, consider a wax fireplace for ambience. Galvanized metal containers, galvanized buckets, trays, and planters add an industrial touch. Use them for storing firewood, displaying plants, or as decor on shelves or tables. Brick or stone accents. Exposed brick or stone walls are fantastic for adding an earthy feel. If it's not possible to install real brick, consider using box brick or stone wallpaper as an alternative. Farm-inspired wall art. Decorate with wall art that evokes rural scenes like cows, kitchens, barns, or fields. Choose vintage or sepia tone prints for an authentic look. Wicker and rattan furniture. Wicker chairs, baskets, and trays contribute to the organic look and are perfect for farmhouse style. Use them in the living room, bedroom, or porch. Old books and rustic details. Stick vintage books on coffee tables, nightstands, or open shelves for a quaint, lived-in look. Also, small rustic details like old keys, brass knobs, or antique clocks add charm. Curtains and window treatments. Choose simple, lightweight fabrics like linen or cotton for curtains. Stick to neutral shades or subtle patterns like checks or stripes. Entryway bench or hall tree. If you have an entryway, add a wooden bench with storage baskets underneath or a hall tree with hooks for coats and hats. This makes your entry both stylish and functional. Savoy tile backsplash. For kitchens, a white Savoy tile backsplash is a farmhouse classic. It's clean, versatile, and works well with open shelving or wood accents. Enamelware and copper accents. Use enamelware dishes, mugs, or pitchers as decor in the kitchen or dining area. Copper pots, pans, and utensils also look great hung on the wall or displayed on open shelves. Milk cans and vintage containers use old milk cans, watering cans, or ceramic jugs as vases for fresh and dried flowers. These added classic farmhouse touch, especially on porches or entryways. Butterblock countertops. Butterblock counters in the kitchen bring a warm, natural element that pairs well with white cabinetry and open shelving. Farmhouse signs hang signs with simple vintage-inspired phrases like gather, farm fresh, or welcome. These small additions add charm and personality to the walls. Slip-covered dining chairs. Slip-covered chairs in neutral colors are great for a farmhouse dining room, as they are both elegant and practical, making it easy to change up colors and clean as needed. Exposed ceiling beams. If possible, consider installing exposed wooden beams to give the space a barn-like feel. Box beams are also available as a budget-friendly option. Weathered shutters as wall decor. Repurpose vintage wooden shutters as wall art, either on their own or as a backdrop for wreaths, mirror, and artwork. Thanks for watching the video.